Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to take you for a quick tour around Carbonite and show you some of the key features I find helpful in this powerful backup software. If you haven't already downloaded Carbonite, check out my other video that shows you how to download and install Carbonite for your computer. For those of you ready, let's get started. From your desktop, look for the Carbonite padlock. This could be in your menu bar or system tray, depending on the system you use. Open Carbonite Preferences, and this will take you to Carbonite. Here's the main Carbonite window we saw in our last video. Currently our backup status is set to initial backup, meaning we haven't done a backup yet. You can see that the backup contains 0 bytes or 0 files, and there's 0 bytes or 0 files waiting to be backed up. Carbonite offers you a low priority mode to help conserve your bandwidth. What this means is so if you check it off, your computer will run at more optimal speed than if it's unchecked. There's also the Carbonite status icon in your menu bar. That was the padlock we used to find Carbonite. I highly recommend keeping this checked. There's also your account section. This takes you to a link where you can update any billing info, find out more about your subscription. There may also be a buy now button here, which means if you haven't paid for your trial yet, you want to go buy it. And finally, there's refer a friend. If you want to refer your friends, you can earn some extra bucks. Here at the status, we're currently set to enabled, but you can pause the backup, set it to recover mode, or disable it. We'll keep it enabled for now so that we can see all the other features. Finally, there's the Carbonite Help and Support link. This basically takes you to Carbonite's site where they have tons of info and FAQs to help you out. Here's the backup section. Similar to your Windows Explorer or your Mac folder list, you can basically walk through a folder tree and see all the different folders, files, and programs that are on your current computer. This allows you to go through and select which files or folders you want to set for backup. Below, there's a quick legend to show you what the different dots beside the folders and files mean. The green dot means the file or folder has been backed up. The green donut means it's partially been selected. The yellow dot means that it's scheduled for backup. And the red dot means that it will not be backed up. It's important to keep track of this legend so that you know which files will be backed up. You can also automatically manage your backup with Carbonite. What this does is basically Carbonite goes ahead and pre-selects certain files that are most common to people's backup. Things like your desktop, perhaps documents, your music, pictures, maybe library files or program files for your system, or movies, anything like that. But off to the right, what you can also do is you could pick a folder that's maybe set in any of those particular sections, and you can filter those so that Carbonite will not back them up. Here's the restore feature. Similar to the backup, you'll see that there's a document tree that allows you to go through and pick the different folders or files on your system that have been backed up. In this case, because we haven't done a backup yet, there's nothing there to show for restoring. But in a future video, we'll show you how to do a restore. There is a restore assistant that will walk you through how to do a restore, and you get info on when the file was originally backed up. You can pick whether to restore the file to your original location, to the desktop, or perhaps a different location somewhere else on the computer. And then finally, you restore the selected items. And there's a quick tour of Carbonite.